How to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. So if you want to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app, you can simply open up the Trust Wallet application and first of all make sure to sign into your account. Now here you can simply go to the buy option, and in the search bar you can simply search for USDT. Now right here there are different types of USDT for Ethereum or for BNB Smart Chain and some of the other ones over here. Just depending upon which one you want to buy, simply select it and enter the amount of dollars that you want to buy with. So in this case, let's say I want $100 worth of USDT. I'll get 148 USDT. I can choose a payment method, which is my credit card or could be my debit card and my bank transfer and Google Pay as well. Then I can tap on the buy option to buy it. This way I'll be able to buy USDT on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.